If you're looking for a beautiful move-in ready home, have I got the place for you. 6055 Latta Springs Circle. This home is refreshed and revitalized. Let's go check it out. No tour of Latta Springs would be complete without showing you our very unique lake access that we have here. Set along a quiet cove of Mountain Island Lake, you can launch your kayak, your canoe, do some fishing, have a picnic. I mean, just come down here and watch the sunset. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just up the shore from the lake is this lakeside pavilion. We've got an outdoor grill, a stone wood-burning fireplace, and let me tell you, this place comes alive in the fall with the Community Fall Festival. Bonfire, people running everywhere, having a great time. Latta Springs is the perfect place to call home.